Hello guys, welcome back again to my kitchen where we make yummy and delicious food. Today I will be showing you how I make this perfect cheesecake. I will be using the following ingredients: cream cheese, honey. I will also be using granulated hazelnuts. Then I will be using dark chocolate. I will be using biscuit. You can use crackers, you can use any biscuit of your choice. Then I will also be using Greek yogurt. And then I'll be using butter. So come with me as we prepare this. The next step for me is to put all my biscuits into my mini food processor and crush this biscuit or blend this biscuit into a fine crumbs, and then I will show you the next thing. Now that I have a crumbling mixture, I will add this into my bowl and then I will show you the next step. I went ahead to melt my butter and now I'll be adding it into my fine crumbs. I will then mix this up with my spatula before adding the next ingredient. Now I'll be adding the honey. I will leave the list of ingredients in the comment box. Please do well to check this out, and I will go ahead to mix everything thoroughly. At this point I will be pouring the mixture into my baking pan. I use parchment paper to line the baking pan in order for it not to be difficult for me when I will be removing the parchment paper later on. So as you can see, I'm using spatula to level things up. I went further to use a wine glass for this. Now that we are done, I'll set this aside. For the filling, you'll be needing a clean bowl. I will go ahead to add my Greek yogurt into the bowl. I'm using two different types of yogurt. You can use any yogurt of your choice. And then I'll be adding my cream cheese. I will show you the next thing I will be doing. At this point, I will be adding honey into my yogurt and cream cheese. And then mix this up thoroughly with my spatula. You can use your whisking machine or your hand whisk to mix this up. Now that I have my desired cream, I will go ahead to add this into my baking pan where I have my fine crumb, and then I will use my spatula to spread the cream out properly. And I will show you the next thing. To add more deliciousness to this cheese, I went ahead to melt my chocolate. I will be adding it into the cheese right now, and then with my spatula I will give it some design. You can leave your cheese like this or do whatever you want to do with it. Now I'll be adding my granulated hazelnuts just to give it some flavor, and thereafter I'll put this inside the fridge for 24 hours and then bring it out. Et voila, here we have it. I will go ahead to remove the parchment paper little by little. Guys, our cheesecake is ready to be devoured. Look at how beautiful it is. I will go ahead to transfer the cheesecake into my cake holder or cake plate. Thank you for watching. Please guys, do not forget to subscribe, like. See you in my next video. Bye.